Hello and welcome to another What's New in Remote Desktop Manager 13.5. We're going to look at 3 different things that are new features or new things that are available in this newer version of Remote Desktop Manager. So let's take a look at the first one, and we're going to look at our screen. So as you see my screen, you'll remember in the previous versions, under the tools, all of our tools were listed here on the top ribbon. Well, now in version 13.5, we've added a More Tools section. And in this, you'll notice a lot of our consoles and managers have been placed in here just to make things a little bit cleaner. As we grow and have more embedded technologies, we're going to put the tools in here so it's easier for you to find the tools that you use every single day. So that's the More Tools button in version 13.5 of Remote Desktop Manager. Well, the next thing that we've actually removed from version 13.5 is the dependency on the C++ redistributables. Well, notice if you remember it back in the day when you installed Remote Desktop Manager, it would ask you to have if you had the prerequisites, and if not, it would install the C++ redistributables for you. Well, now we no longer need that at all, and we're free from that. So we removed something to make the installation a little bit easier and simpler for you. Now, the last feature that we've added in version 13.5 is you'll notice when you install Remote Desktop Manager, it'll be installed in 64-bit mode application by default. So that's the default we'll be using from now on. But right now, version 13.5 installs in 64-bit.